Here you go.
Okay, so you're not going to need too much stuff for this. Some razors and stuff to change it. One of these big jugs. You know, somebody works at a restaurant. They'll probably get a hold of these pretty easy. That's the fry guy. This is my skeleton key. It's a work in progress. I'm still trying to figure this out. I've cut up a few of these already.
Oh wait, I have a perfect idea for this one.
What?
This one, the arms should go back, and we should make fake chains, and then put it around that one, and then its legs are just like dangling.
Right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Can we smash the pumpkins? Dad, can we smash the pumpkins?
Yeah, go for it.
Then we're gonna get our